Welcome to this ToolHound Learning Center video on how to find the reports you need. Most of the time you want to report on outstanding tools that haven't been returned. To do this, click on Transactions, double-click Issued Assets, then view the report. On with the video. When you're on the Reports page, notice that the groups or sections mirror the menu groups or sections. When you expand a group, you can see the related reports for the data in the menu group. In this case, the part number page data can be viewed on reports such as the Inventory report for data on the General tab, essentially a catalog, the Inventory by location for data on the Stocking Points tab, quantities, min-max, etc., the inventory valuation to focus on quantities and costs, the low inventory report which compares quantities and the min-max values from the Stocking Points tab, and the peak usage shows the quantities and the peak usage from the Stocking Points tab. The serialized item page data can be viewed on reports such as the serialized inventory for data on the General tab, the serialized kit content listing all kits and the components shown on the Kit Contents tab. Serialized utilization is a specialized type of usage report with different statistics, including the percent of life issued. Worth a look, especially when combined with the dead stock report. Transaction reports are based on the movement of inventory rather than what you own. Reports based on individual transactions include, for outstanding inventory, the issued assets, and the issue summary report. The issued assets report is the workhorse report in ToolHound. It's the most frequently used report. For details of transactions, regardless of what's outstanding, the transaction activity and transaction receipt reports. For requisitions, get a copy of a transaction requisition or view the requisition back orders. But what if you only want bulk, consumables, or on-hand items, or maybe a specific category? This is where quick and advanced filters come in. We've already done a video on that topic, so check it out. If you want to add extra fields such as costs, user fields, or a picture, or if you want to simplify a report, you can duplicate and customize a standard report. We have a video for that too. Let's review what we've learned so far. Start by determining what information it is you need to see on the report. Then, working from the menu that has that information, you can find the report with the best fit. Filter the report using quick or advanced filters as you need. You can even schedule the reports. And if you need additional information or if you want to simplify a report, duplicate and customize that report. And experiment. Nothing is going to catch fire or blow up running reports, so fill your boots. And the support team can help. If you're having trouble determining which report is going to work best for you, give them a call or send them an email. Thanks for watching this video from the ToolHound Learning Center. For any questions, contact our support team, and remember, subscribe and hit the notification bell.